My name is Lionel Thompson, Lieutenant, Special Services Unit, Hartford Fire Department. Special Services Unit is in charge of public fire and life safety education. We provide programs from very young to the elderly throughout the city. The reason why I think I got nominated is it wasn't an effort on my part alone. It's a team effort. Special Services Unit is a very small unit and takes special people to be in our division. So I would like to definitely give thanks to the other members who also performed during the storm, and that was Storm Alfred of last year. During the storm, we were almost depleted of emergency personnel. The mayor deemed the city a state of emergency and decided to open up the 2 shelters that we have. Just can't say enough about the dedication of the men and women in our unit. Red Cross, and that's another organization I want to give praise to, because without them, although we had this big storm, we have a whole lot of little fires throughout the year, and they're there for us at all times. So they are the real heroes, the volunteer and the men and women that work for the American Red Cross. We opened the shelter with maybe about 10 people. After that, the phone started ringing off the hook. It was a community effort. That event showed family in Hartford, and I'm proud to say it. We had different people calling senior facilities, they were calling different organizations, finding out who needed assistance, who needed to get evacuated and to get to shelter for warm food and so forth. During the course of the day, we were housing between 100 and 150 people per day. During the night, we had approximately 100 people. It was just an unbelievable effort. I was just proud to be a part of organizing something of that magnitude. All I am, I owe. And I owe it to the community, the people in the city of Hartford. It was more than just me. It was so many people, everybody pulled together. I can't say enough about Brandon McGee. He's a state rep now, but at that time, he was just a regular taxpaying citizen. It was just a plethora of people that contributed to the effort. Again, I would like to thank the citizens of the city of Hartford for acknowledging the work that I do. I'm going to not only work harder and continue what I've been doing, I just don't know what to say. Thank you.